Hi everyone, I hope you guys are great. After watching the thumbnail, I have understood one thing, that you guys are very excited to learn these exercises, because this one, the one I have with me right now, it's super effective and it will give you amazing traps. This one is for shoulder. This barbell front raise will give you amazing shoulder. So let me explain everything about this exercise, that how you're going to perform this and what are the things you have to keep in mind and what are the muscles group actually involved in this exercise. So let me play the video and show you what are the muscles are involved in this exercise. So let's start. As you can see, I'm performing this exercise very smoothly. I'm not moving my body too much forward and backward. I'm just taking a normal wide grip and just lifting smoothly up and down. Just look, this part of muscle is involved, this part of muscle is involved. So I'm just performing very smoothly. I'm not doing any kind of jerk. As you can see, this muscle is totally pumped out, this muscle is pumped out, because these portion we want to target with this exercise. As you can see, the perfect contraction, the perfect pressure I'm able to create right in this area. This lower lat is also getting pumped, my tricep, my delt, also all the upper muscles at my back or my delta area is involved in this exercise. So that's why I tell you that you should perform this exercise almost every single day. But one thing to keep in mind, that this exercise should be done towards the end of your workout, because once you're done this exercise, it's create more pressure, you're not able to do other exercises. So do this with perfection. I would recommend you to go with light weights, like go with 2.5, then gradually increase the weight. Don't go heavy directly, because it has a very high risk of getting injury right around your neck area, because that muscle is also involved. And when you go down and when you lift up, there is a lot of movement, so you have to control the movement and perform as smooth as you can. Target these muscles only. So do it properly, don't move your body too much. Try to do with 2.5, then gradually increase. I recommend you to do at least 4 sets. In each set you have to do 14, or maybe you can start with 16, 14, 12, 10, and this is how you have to go down. When you're going down, you have to increase the weight. So this is how you have to perform this exercise. So I hope now you have come to know that how you have to perform this exercise with efficiency, with accuracy. The muscle you are targeting, you have to keep that in mind and target that muscle. So that's it for this video. In the next video, I will come with another exercise which I will teach you that how you can perform that exercise and what are the things you have to keep in mind. So let's move to the next one.